Draining coolant from the LTMS. Open the pressure relief cover of the tank. Connect the power cable. Connect hose A to the coolant outlet. Insert the other end into the bottom of the coolant bucket. Connect hose B to the coolant inlet. Connect the other end to the drain valve port at the bottom of the LTMS heat exchanger. Open the ball valve at the inlet pipe. Open the drain valve at the bottom of the heat exchanger to drain coolant. Switch the machine to the auto mode. Remove the machine pipes and cables. Install the pressure relief cover of the tank.